The first trimester of pregnancy is an exciting and crucial time, as your body begins to support the growth of your baby. While every pregnancy is different, there are several signs that can indicate a healthy pregnancy during this early stage. Some women do not have any pregnancy symptoms, and that is perfectly normal. It does not mean anything is wrong with the pregnancy. If you are worried or have concerns, it is always a good idea to talk to your doctor. During early pregnancy, many women experience breast tenderness and an increase in size. Hormonal changes cause the breasts to become heavier and more sensitive as the body prepares for breastfeeding. These changes are normal and usually improve as the pregnancy progresses. During early pregnancy, many women experience a slight increase in body temperature. This is due to higher levels of progesterone, a hormone that helps support the pregnancy. A raised temperature is normal. If you are concerned, it is best to consult a doctor. Fatigue is common in early pregnancy and can make you feel unusually tired or exhausted. It is normal and is caused by hormonal changes, increased blood volume, and the body's extra effort to support the growing baby. An increased sense of smell is a common symptom in early pregnancy. Hormonal changes can heighten your sensitivity to odors. This is normal and usually goes away later in the pregnancy. Morning sickness is a common symptom in early pregnancy, causing nausea and vomiting, often in the morning, but it can happen at any time. It is caused by hormonal changes and usually happens between weeks 6 and 12. Mild cramps are common in early pregnancy as the body adjusts to support the growing baby. These cramps are usually caused by the uterus stretching and ligaments loosening. As long as they are not severe or accompanied by heavy bleeding, mild cramps are normal. Lower back pain is common in early pregnancy due to hormonal changes and the body adjusting to support the growing baby. It can be caused by the softening of ligaments and changes in posture. While normal, it can be relieved with rest, good posture, and gentle stretches. To check for pregnancy, take a home pregnancy test. It gives you early results. The first response early result pregnancy test is over 99% accurate from the day of your expected period and detects pregnancy 6 days sooner than your missed period. Get results in just 3 minutes, with all forms of the pregnancy hormone detected. If you have any concerns or unusual symptoms, it is always best to consult with your healthcare provider for peace of mind and to ensure everything is progressing well.